Turn it the other way because it's broken on this side.
Oh, yes. All kinds of the other way. Okay.
Okay.
Geoduck. It's screaming. Geoduck is going to scream for about 20 seconds that we loosen its shell and its sheath, as Tony and Gary and Andy like to call it.
I don't think we call it that.
I think you do call it that.
Molly
Yeah.
did.
So, you want me to lift you?
What Molly says goes.
See him in there? You remember him from earlier
Seems
today?
correct.
This is probably the one I think that your mom caught. Remember that? All right.
I'm putting this on Instagram under my catalog of I Want to Be Alex when I grow up, of which there are now many animal eating adventures.
I did not dig for any of the ones today, so you don't want to be me because this is not mine.
No, that's perfect. I should aspire to be the delegator.
And I would be very upset. We don't want warm water spilling all over us. We probably need to pause in the video for a moment. Okay. And then it's kind of hot.
Oh.
Oh yeah, pretty shelf first.
This is the video when Alex lost the finger. We enraged Gooey
No,
Duck.
my favorite ones are from being at Jeff and Kathy's, and she was taking the king crab open, and I've never had king crab before that trip, and now I'm like, screw Dungeness, who cares?
Kind of true, right? Like when we had that Dungeness last weekend, you're like, oh yeah, it's pretty good, but
It's pretty good.
Exactly, but we pulled it out of the water 30 minutes before we ate it, and I
That-
was still like,
part was pretty amazing.
what?
End it! Oh, dude.
Molly got it.
Wow.
Not
Yeah.
even
So
give it
that's how long the siphon was up, right?
Wow.
Like it gets really long.
That's what she said.
Yes. Okay. And we're gonna just like let that hang for a second.